The wrong one. It's really good today because the wind is facing towards the house. I'm gonna be doing not a live stream, but I'm gonna be siren hunting tomorrow. So I guess be on the lookout for that. Well, I don't know. I might live stream it. I don't know. You guys can vote in the comments. I don't know what I'll do. We'll probably just drive around the Guinea system, or we'll just be going around there because I can't go too far. Wow, that thing's creepy. The STH-10 in Macedon went off earlier today as well. And you can hear it. Apparently it does fast well, which I did not know, and it seems like our fire call is over. Well, that's all for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. You guys, honestly, you can vote if I should just live stream it, premiere it, or just yeah. I'll just upload it regular, premiere it, or live stream it. I'm not sure, but it'll probably just be around 20. Just around 20 minutes. Sorry, I thought I heard another siren for some reason. But yeah, I'll live stream it, premiere it, or just regular upload it. As I said, you can vote in the comments, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.